Hey everybody, this is Renzo Montaiuti here with eXp Realty, and today I am at Isles of Lake Nona, built by Pulte Homes. So whether you're from Orlando, you're from New York, New Jersey, guys, this is one of the most elite up-and-coming new construction neighborhoods around. Now, I'm going to give you guys the grand tour, but first, I just want to give you a little bit of information of what you're looking at. And we're going to be looking at the Whitestone model. It has 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms. And are offering a lot of incentives that I'm going to get to at the end of the video. So thank you guys, and please enjoy. Hey everyone, so here we are at the Whitestone floor plan, featuring 4 to 5 beds, 2 to 4 bathroom, 2,800 square feet. So let's start the tour real quick. Now, as you can see, there is absolutely beautiful curb appeal going on here, and the whole entire front of the property is just absolutely beautiful. So let's take a look inside. Now it looks like you have these absolutely tall 9-foot doors. Here you go. Now right away, you have your bonus room. Whether you'd like to put an office, library, anything you'd like, this is absolutely huge and beautiful. And you're gonna have a nice 2 windows outside. So here we go. Now let's go back to the main entrance. So right away we're gonna take a right, and this is gonna be the laundry room. Now the laundry room is gonna come with a brand new Whirlpool washer and dryer, and it comes with a little extra sink. And then we're gonna take a left over here, and here's gonna be one of the half bathrooms. So there we go. Now we're gonna go back again, and we're gonna head into the living room, open floor plan with the beautiful kitchen. So here we have the kitchen. Granite countertops. It is gonna come with the stove, and it has all stainless steel appliances. Open floor plan, like I said, and this is beautiful, this living room. You almost have like about 800 to 1,000 square feet just in this living space. And here's the breakfast nook area. Now guys, this is beautiful. Let's step over here and see what is going on over here. Beautiful master bedroom. The beautiful vanities. You're gonna have the double sink as well. And you're gonna have the walk-in shower. Here's this is more so the bathroom closet, hang your towels, put your towels and everything. And then here, you're gonna have a sliding door for the toilet. And then you are gonna have a beautiful, 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 massive walk-in closet. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of want to take a nap in this bed right now. It is absolutely phenomenal. So let's see, this is an extra closet we have in here under the staircase. Now we're back in the kitchen, and let's take a tour upstairs. As you can see, they have a little backsplash and wood on as the staircase. Now this right here is the upstairs loft. Plenty of space for a second living room, really. Here, let's take a step into the second bedroom. Nice and spacious. This is probably a 10 by 12 bedroom with the walk-in closet as well, and a nice full bathroom. Let's take a step back over here. Take a right, and here we have another full bathroom. And there is a closet here as well. And then this is going to be the third bedroom. And it also does have a walk-in closet. All of these rooms have a walk-in closet. Now this is the fourth bedroom. And this one has an extra large walk-in closet. So let's take a step back out. Now this home here features 4-bed, 3-bathroom, 3.5 bathroom, and it has everything you're really looking for. Now this model does have an architectural model where you can either have 4 or 5 bedrooms, or 2.5 up to 4 bathrooms. So you guys can actually change and tweak the floor plan to the way you'd like it. So if you guys have an extra kid, you guys need an extra room, you can get that done. So here we are. Let's get back downstairs. And this is what everybody dreams about right here. We have the resort style pool, we have the resort style jacuzzi, the beautiful tiles, the beautiful view. Now the landscaping here is just absolutely beautiful. Everything about this backyard is just phenomenal. And then you're gonna have space at the side of the yard. Right now it's about 90 degrees here in Florida, so I'm a little tempted to jump in, guys. Let's go through one more time and make sure we covered everything for you. For the big finale, guys, Pulte Homes, if you use their primary lender, they are going to give you, and this is 100%, they are giving you $10,000 in closing cost. Guys, that is like over 70% of what you have to pay in closing costs, all just to get pre-approved with their lender, Pulte Mortgage. And they are absolutely phenomenal, guys. They're going to get you the best rate possible. They've been getting families under 3. So guys, if you're interested in a private showing, let me know and I will set it up for you guys. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment, please send me a text, give me a call. I am always available for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you.